Hello, welcome to Cakewalk CG. This is Rigging in 3D Studio Max Chapter 11. In this chapter, we are going to learn how to create a IKFK switching in 3D Studio Max. Before starting, I would like to say that if you have any kind of requirement of tutorial in any particular topic, you can send a request to cakewalkcg@gmail.com. You can straight away, this is the email address. You can send your requirements to this mail, and we'll definitely try our level best to give you the support. So move to the chapter. For creating a IKFK switching, we need three. I just created three bone setup. So let's say it's the shoulder bones, this is the elbow, and this one is the wrist one. So what we'll do, we are actually have created a skin setup. This is so shld or shoulder underscore sk. This is actually for skinning. This is a elbow underscore elb underscore sk. This is also for skinning, and also the wrist dot sk. This setup is actually for ik. You see, select it and you'll see the in the modify panel shoulder underscore ik. This is elbow underscore ik, and this is wrist underscore ik, and this one is for the fk is shoulder fk, elbow fk, and the wrist fk. So what exactly happen in IKFK switching? Now, IKFK switching means if I switch to IK and I have an IK setup, I have put an HI solver over here, and if I move the IK joints, the skin joints will actually follow the IK joints. And whenever I rotate the FK bones, you will see the skinning bones, which is actually skinned with the character, it actually follows with the FK bones. So that is the most important thing. And as we already know that the bones are actually work in the rotation values only, not in the position values. So we are going to connect this skin bones with the FK and IK bone system through a constraining called orientation constraint. So let's see what how we can do that. Select the skin bone, go to animation, constraint, orientation constraint. You'll see the rubber band comes up. Move, select the shoulder underscore ik, and the same thing you will do again with the shoulder, and this time we will just orientation constraint with the FK joints. The same thing I will do for the elbow, constraint, orientation constraint to the IK, and then again animation constraint, orientation constraint to the FK. Now what you will see, if you select the shoulder joint in the motion panel, you can see the orientation constraint up, and in the under the orientation constraint menu you'll see two target is there. One is shoulder underscore ik, which has a 50% weight, and shoulder underscore fk, which is also have a 50% weight. So now if I move the ik joint or ik, you'll see the fk is actually following it, but not in a full manner. See, it's a half, 50%, because the sk joints have two different parents. As one is the ik setup, which is actually parenting through the orientation constraint with the skinning skin bones, and also the fk. If you rotate the fk also, you'll see uh, the skin bones are actually moving, but not in full. It's 50%. So what we'll do, we'll just have to make any one of these to 0 weight. Now how will do that? You just select it. You see there is a weight coming up. Select the joint you want to. So let's suppose I want to make an ik complete ik movement. So just make the fk weight into 0, and same thing we'll do for the elbow, make it 0. So Now you'll see, as I have make the FK into 0, now you'll see that the FK bones have no influence to the skin joints, no whatsoever. Yes, but and as well as if you see the movement of the FK, sorry, IK, you'll see the IK is actually, I mean, the skin bones are actually following the IK joints completely. See, it's 100% movement, 100% influence. The same thing we can do to FK also. We'll just select the IK, make it 0, and it's FK, and make it 50, even 100, it doesn't matter. And select it, make it 50, make it 0, and make this one, sorry. And now we'll see, if I move the IK joints, sorry, IK movement, we'll see there is no movement at all in the skinning bones. And if we move, if we rotate the no, the FK, you will see the 100% following is happening. So that is the most important thing. We have actually distributed the orientation values of this shoulder joint into two different joint. One is an IK setup, and another one is FK setup, and that's how we actually we can select which exactly setup we want to create while animating the character. And that's how we select and or control the character through FK or IK, whatever you want. But not exactly it's happening just every time you just go move to the select the bones and move to the motion panel and go to the orientation constraint and change the values, make the key, and then again move up to, we need a simple setup through any kind of controlling system or something. And if we select that, there must be some, like any kind of circle or something, whatever it is, you can select it. And if you go to modify panel, you'll see the custom parameters should come up, which where we can actually set the IK or FK settings before animating. So we'll see, or we'll discuss that in the next chapter. For this chapter, this is the end. And hope you enjoyed it, and we'll definitely bring you how to create the uh, controlling system in the next chapter. So thank you very much.